Merry Christmas everybody! Today I'm here to show you how to create some gorgeous glamorous waves and transform your fine flat limp hair into something really special for this festive season. My hair is really flat at the root, and in order to transform that instantly, the great news is you're only going to need one product today, and that is the Blowout Raise the Root. You can probably see I need to cleanse my hair, so first things first, I'm going to shampoo it with the Colour Security shampoo. I'm going to do 2 washes, and this is a clear formula, so it's not going to leave any residue that could weigh my hair down.
The point that he wrote for me.
I've tried so many different root lifts, but they always feel sticky and heavy, whereas Raise the Root just gives me a lightweight volume. It doesn't cloud or discolour my hair, it literally just gives me such a springy, voluminous effect.
Christmas, my baby gave to me a candlelit dinner just for me and my honey. On the 3rd day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a gift certificate to get my favorite CDs. On the 2nd day of Christmas, my baby gave to me
a little shake. Let's have a little look together. Oh my goodness, that lift is out of this world. Like, that is crazy. Absolutely obsessed with this glamorous, gorgeous, festive. Oh, it's just amazing. I just can't believe how much lift I've got. It's just crazy. I was actually going to tong this afterwards just to give it a little bit more lift, but I definitely do not need to. This bad boy has done all the hard work for me, so yeah, I'm just in awe. I love it. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this height in my fringe? This is literally insane, and I can flip it as well and still get lift. How mad. So maneuverable.
feel so in love.